Good afternoon, everybody. There's nothing new at all except we actually, okay, there's one important thing I would say. Before you leave, there's one important thing. The ascending level of support on the 2 hourly, it's actually pretty damn validated on the 2 hourly, okay? On the daily chart, it looks a little messy just because it's dumb. But if you go to the 2 hourly chart and just zoom out, it's perfect. There's validations all the way back on the 6th of May. Right now, okay, this could easily be a fault. This could easily be a bull trap. All right, and I don't really think it is necessarily, but it could be. Okay, make your own decisions. But we're bouncing off this absolutely perfectly. That's as simple as it gets. Look at this perfect validation on this ascending level of support. And I actually found this. I had it in a little bit of a different way. I had it a little bit in a different position here. But if you go on the 2 hourly chart, it matches up exactly with this with this right here, basically. Well, not actually, not really. Well, mostly. Anyways, we are bouncing right now off of that. So you love to see it. Well, here's the thing. There's a couple different things, but there's a couple different things. I can't. Okay, yesterday we were. Oh my gosh. Let me just maximize the charge real quick. All right. Yesterday the goal was to, actually today, earlier this morning, the goal was to hold above the 4 hourly middle Bollinger Band, and we've got nothing. We've completely broken down. And we're all the way down here now. So that's obviously not what you want to see. On the 4 hourly, okay, that's the 2 hourly. I was about to get really scared. Yeah, that did not look right. If we look at the 4 hourly here, oh no, damn. Okay, this is the first I just looked at this. Wow, you just got both your sell signals on the SAR and the Supertrend, but sometimes they can be false signals, right? But not very. I mean, not always. They're pretty accurate, but this time, yeah, you're getting. That is the first time the Supertrend has flipped bearish in this entire uptrend. That could be bearish, but I'm not selling one share. Okay, if it goes well with the Fed tomorrow, we're going to see above $8 easily, if not higher than that. But that is something to know, right? The Supertrend just flipped bearish. That's not what you want to see. That's not what you want to see at all. They talk about well, basically the short interest rates. It's going to be so if we look at the economic calendar, we're going to talk about this here. A couple times today. We already have a lot, but basically it's going to have Fed, the JP conference is going to be 2:30 Eastern, and then Fed announcement is going to be 2 p.m. Eastern. But right now, that's kind of what we're looking at. It's here. Let's see how far away we are from the 21 SMA here. Okay, so it's at 660. 660 is where the middle Bollinger Band on the daily chart is. That's where we want to go. That's not necessarily where we want to go, but that's what we want. We want to bounce off that, kiss that moving average, and then boom, that's where we start making the higher highs, higher lows, test 912, 920, and then boom, we're on our way to $10. That's essentially what's going on. That's what we want, at least, I should say. And one thing about today is that, of course, it sucks. It's easy to get down on the day, right? We're down 5%. It's like, man, this sucks. It's like, it's easy to be sad about this, and I need to do a better job myself. I get pissed off easily because of the channel, not because of the stocks. But basically, it sucks today, right? It looked 5%. It sucks. We were up 3% in the pre-market. It's like, oh my gosh, again, all the gains gone. If you zoom out, you have to realize that if you have been, you guys have heard the spiel, right? You have to zoom out and realize what's been going on the last few weeks. Of course, you don't. Of course, it's not what you want to see, but still, we're doing. I mean, what is that? 740 from 430 to 740. What is that? Somebody do that math for me. What is that? Like 70%, 70, 80%? In the green. So it just tells you if you average down while the RSI was while you had the buy center, while you were at 30 on the RSI, you're looking fine. So take it for what it is. I know it sucks. We're barcoding. There's no volume. Let's actually look at the volume today. I bet it sucks. It always sucks, right? Yeah, well, it's better than, it's better than nano dimension and microvision, but it's still horrible. We're not even, the volume, I don't even know how it could get any worse. We've been getting news, though, so it really doesn't matter. We've been getting great, I really like what the company has done these last few weeks, but it absolutely, the volume is absolutely horrible. I wouldn't necessarily say it's short-term bearish, though. I would not necessarily say that. The 4 hourly K, you do have the first signs of a reversal, of a bearish reversal. All right, that's pretty clear, right? That the Supertrend and the SAR are bearish. Here's the thing, though. I wouldn't call this a downtrend short term until we break the middle Bollinger Band on the daily, for a couple reasons. Okay, in the uptrend, and any uptrend, at least, well, not all, but most uptrends, as long as you're above the 21 SMA. That's pretty much, and especially with this stock, especially with BNGO in the past, since we've broken out of that, it's been uptrend territory. So until we break down below that, I think it's pretty safe to say that like midterm-ish, short to midterm, right, roughly, we're in an uptrend still. I think that's pretty factual. Also, if you look at the stochastic indicator on the weekly, obviously we're looking, I mean, you know, okay, it's as good as you want. It's as good as it can get right there. So, yeah. All right. Buy a share for the $6 swear. Dumb question. What does barcoding mean? Okay, so barcoding, by the way, I'm so sorry if people think, I'm so sorry if if it seems like I selectively choose which comments, chats to like talk about. I'm sorry. Sometimes I can't talk about all of them for obvious reasons. Okay, some of them there's just no like some of them just, you know, what can I say? But someone told me earlier, I'm sorry. I try to get to all of them. All right, I'm sorry. I'm gonna try to get to all of them today. I'm trying to get to at least a lot of them. Right? If you want to hear, if you want to get your question answered or whatever, right? Just stay till the end. Right? That's when we only do the chat. All right. So, anyways, enough ranting. Barcoding is this. Right? It's just going sideways, just going a couple cents at a time. There's not really much to say here. You just got to visually look at it and understand what it is. Right? It's just right here. Let me give you an example. Let me go back to the start here. Okay. So. Here's your bar. Well, that's not a good example. This is a good example. Okay, right here. Yeah. All right, this is barcoding. That's as simple as it gets. That's barcoding, and then this is not barcoding. This is free falling. This is a falling knife. No, not really. It's not a falling knife, but it's just downtrending, and that's not barcoding, right? So I think, yeah, that's. I hope you understand now. Barcoding, dude. What is this? Hold on. What was that? That quick wick up to 745. All right. Of course, my friend. Of course, Aaron. Yeah. The 4 hourly looks like a big cup and handle wishful thinking. Yeah. Someone brought this to my attention yesterday, and I kind of talked about this. I just maybe. I mean, maybe are you talking about? No, I don't think you're talking about that. Well, you know what? No, if you want to go to if you want to make the argument that this is a cup and handle, right, and we're in the handle part right now. If you want to make that argument, I guess you could. Like this is the resistance, right? This right here, 7 or 9, 10. But I don't. That's not that. I don't like that either. 4 hourly, I don't see that very often. I don't think that's very likely to happen. All right, it's a ladder attack, not a trend. It's artificial protecting 8 and 9 calls for Friday, dude. Yeah, I agree. I'm with you, Dude, I mean, you guys know my spiel on the market manipulation. You guys know the spiel, and if you look at the short interest for the day, right, this isn't proof, but I just want to show you this, right? This is what came. Okay, you guys know my mind. Like, it goes 1,000 places. Okay, I never know. Okay, you guys know what you're dealing with when you click on the stream, right? We're up almost 100, not 100%, 1% almost in the short interest change for the day. We're down like 5%. The shorts don't know when to stop, man. They've borrowed so many shares. They can't hold them forever, though. And we don't really care about this, okay? We care about this. The shorts that have been holding, and they're just continuing to hold and double down because they think they're going to take this down to $7 and $6. The one way that we screw them over, and we screw them and actually get the squeeze is by hodling by and large. And how do we do that? How do we hodl? Well, you don't do anything. You just freaking look at the screen and watch the stream. That's all you do. But more on a deeper level, let's go further, right? You have to. All right, this is a quick plug. But what you have to do is a couple things: Wall Street Bets, Reddit, and pumping the channel. That's what you do. The more people that hold, the more people that understand the short interest and watch these videos, okay, I know this is my best self-interest. I know, yada, yada, you're biased, Brandon. Yeah, okay, I am. It's true. Yes, of course. But the more people that see these videos, not only all the money I make from YouTube, the small amount is going it's all going to BNGO, okay? One way or another. I don't know if it's going to be a month from now, 5 months from now, not 5 months, 3 months from now, or way sooner than that. 95%, 99% of the money that I make from YouTube is going to shares. Okay, that's as simple as it gets. It's all going to shares. But also, the more people that see these videos, the more people that freaking know about the due diligence that we do every day on the channel, man. I'm telling you guys. And once they see the short interest data, and once they know that we actually have the freaking calls expiring on the 18th, I mean, it's as simple as it gets. No one understands the news. No, I mean, if you just go to the Weeble comment section and ask anyone to give you a summary of the news that we had yesterday, they would probably just tell you, oh, we got a new guy or something. You know, they would have no idea about the FDA approval implications. They would have no idea about the prenatal, about him actually being a co-founder of Cradle or whatever, and he worked with the prenatal stuff. Oh, it just so happens we're doing the new lab, right? That has to do with the Always Right posts. How about the business expansion? Also, I guarantee you most of them have no idea about this, what I'm about to say. Okay, the insider calls, man. The freaking leaps. The leaps. No one knows. No one has any idea about how bullish it is. They say, oh, they didn't buy any shares. I know they didn't buy any shares, dipshit, but guess what? It's a call. It's a call option. It's not like you're going to go and become a bear with a call option. They're going to buy shares at one point. It incentivizes the employees to do well. A lot of people, a lot of the employees, they're not millionaires. This 7,000 shares, 5 years from now, 2 years from now, 3 years from now, that is the number one thing that will get them to millionaire status. They're going to work their asses off because of that. Of course, no one cares. Like, oh, no, they didn't buy any shares. It's like, I know they didn't. It's still bullish as hell, man. Of course, it doesn't matter. No one cares, okay? No one cares. No one looks at the news. No one understands the news. But whatever. Short term, it doesn't matter. Long term is all. Long term, none of. Long term, all this crap, this neglect of what's actually happening with the company, it's just, I think it's a buying opportunity. But y'all need to do your own decision. You don't need to freaking make your own opinion, though. I could be wrong, all right? I don't think I am. I could be, though. I could definitely be wrong. Okay, that just sounds like I'm a prick now. All right. Oh, I'm already ranting. We're like 5 minutes in. Oh my gosh. Added 400 today. Legend. What do you think about the weekly MACD? It looks like it will eventually cross. I don't like the weekly MACD, so I don't use it. But I'll tell you, you know what? I'll look at the weekly stochastic indicator instead for you because it's basically a MACD and RSI in one, and it's more accurate, I think. It's bullish territory. Okay, it's bullish territory, and it's not only that. It's not buy territory necessarily, but it's neutral. It's basically buy territory, right? I mean, technically, your buy territory on the stochastic indicators when you're like below 20. But you know, I mean, come on. I mean, look how bullish it is. Look how bullish it is. I mean, there's the gap right now is even bigger almost than what we had over here. Okay, does that mean it's time to buy? Not necessarily, but it just shows you where we're headed right now, right on the weekly stochastic indicator. Oh man, yeah. If we dip tomorrow, I'll add some shares tomorrow, dude. Well, here's the thing. I'm not even gonna do the spiel about adding shares, but I'll just say this. I will have thousands of right now. Okay, if anyone's new here, I doubt it. We don't get any new viewers nowadays, but I only have 1,600 shares right now. I will have well more. I will have way more than that. Definitely at the latest in a few months, probably. Yeah. Definitely by end of the year, I'll have way more than that. One way or another, whether it dips or whether it runs without me. Okay, I'm happy either way, right? I'm happy either way. Death, carnage, destruction, but guess what? It doesn't matter long term. Dude, hell yes. You know what you're doing. I'm betting you. I'm guessing you know what you're doing based on that statement. Because that's exactly right. That's exactly true. About short interest data, if that's high, does it mean that the hedges can't borrow much shares which means the chances are low because shares without actual purchases decrease? All right. Oh my God, we're bleeding short term. We're bleeding as I'm talking about this. But anyways, let me talk about the short interest, right? No, it's actually bullish. Okay, well, in a way, there's two sides of the coin here, but basically there's only one that matters. All right, but seriously, short interest has got higher. All right, the amount of shares that have been sold short and lent out from the brokers, right? Normal shares have been lent out. They're now sold short, right? Applying that selling pressure on the stock, 40 million. We're looking at 40 million now, okay? That's higher than before, that indicated by the plus 0.85%, all right? Basically, if we can hodl or go up from here, as I always say, it's very risky for them to continue to hold. Some of these guys are new, right? A lot of these guys are new, okay? There's 807K borrowed shares today, right? The borrowed shares, this is today. This is daily. But the guys that are not holding today, right? The 40 million that are not, right? I mean, the 39 million that are not borrowing today, they think they can push it lower. If they don't succeed in that, there is a gamma squeeze potential for a lot of reasons, and we can go into the whole gamma squeeze spiel. But basically, I'll just leave you with this. Ape language, the short interest is only increased, and the stop price is only increased in the aggregate, right? If you look at the chart, right? Short interest has only increased throughout this entire downtrend, right? And then we started going up, and there's the breaking of the downtrend. Yeah, it's still going up. It's like, dude, these shorts don't know when to stop. If they don't chill chill the F out. They're going to get squeezed. That's as simple as you can get, my friends. It doesn't get any more simple than that, all right? If we go up, if we break 912, if we start seeing $10, or not even, even if we just continue to hold this ascending level right here, even if we dip to like, let's say we dipped to 713 or 710 tomorrow, right? As long as we hold this, they're still going to be screwed eventually, right? As we can just go a couple weeks with holding this, right? We'll be at freaking $9 almost, right? That's okay. They're going to be screwed. That's as simple as it gets. They're going to be screwed eventually. They cannot hold forever. Once one of them covers, they're all going to cover. Oh my gosh! All right. Change the title to Sour Hour. No, I can't. Do y'all like the titles? Let's go, bitches. Oh man. To carnage and destruction, right? To death, destruction, and carnage. And to the Bears, having one good day to sell, right? The Bears have gotten absolutely annihilated. And now we get one red day, and now well, today we haven't really had much shit, but usually we do, which is rare. So, oh, the titles are too fun to make. I have too much fun making the titles, I'm telling you. You guys have to realize I'm not a YouTuber, okay? I'm just a guy that doesn't know what the hell he's doing up here. I don't know how the setup works. Audio difficulties, technical difficulties, you guys have if you watch the freaking stock with me, you know exactly what I'm talking about, right? I'm just a BNGO shareholder. That's all I am. Oh man. We have to buy to make even a delta before we can think about a gamma. Look and see how many calls we have expiring this Friday. Yeah, no, look at the open interest here. Look at the open interest. There's so many. There's so many. Look at that, and this is why. Okay, you need a couple different things for a gamma squeeze, right? You need that short dated buying of call options. You need the price to go up, and you basically need the short interest to go up as well. We have all of those except the price going up, right? We do have the price going up, but not enough. Okay, you need it going up a lot. Yeah, and look at the open interest here, okay? You're looking at what? 5,000 max? All right, look at the out the money ones, right? Look, okay, the calls. Look how many calls are being held here, all right? If we can go up, we're going to get a freaking chain reaction, and one way or another, we're going to get a freaking gamma squeeze, man. As simple as you can get. It's still really hard because these hedges have billions of other people's dollars. We all have to unite as one to even come close to having a chance. That's why shorting should be illegal. Gotta be careful with the regulation of the markets. Gotta be careful with that. But I'm with you on the whole. I'm with you with the uniting shit. Yeah, if you understand what you're doing and you understand the risks here, hell yeah, let's unite. You want to buy one share here at the ask? You guys want to buy one share at the ask here at the close or whatever at 250 or 10 minutes before the close or whatever, 5 minutes? I'll do that. We're down today. I'll add one share. I don't want to add a ton of shares, though. Y'all have heard my spiel on why I'm adding a ton. I'm not adding right now. It's not because of BNGO. I love BNGO, but it's because of the broader markets. That's the only reason why I'm not adding like 500 shares today. Okay, trust me, I would have more than that added if I could. If I wasn't so scared about the government and the economic policies and inflation. What does barcoding indicate in terms of trends? I wouldn't really say. I mean, it's just indecision. It's kind of like a doji candle, you know. It's kind of just nothing. It's just indecision of price action, you know. I like shorting. That's what makes money. Bag holders lose in the short run. Yeah, the extra short run. Okay. Well. The money they are losing to push the price down with borrowed shares is a fraction of what the calls will cost them. Yes! That makes me excited, man. I mean, there's still, okay, I don't care. I mean, as long as we don't like completely just absolutely crap ourselves as a stock, I mean, as far as the stock price these next few days, it's still on the table. And I haven't really been talking much about it because I just feel like y'all get tired of hearing me say it, but there's nothing there's really not much that's changed as far as our squeeze, whether that be gamma or short squeeze potential. You know, we haven't gone down enough, and the short interest hasn't gone down enough to justify the nullification of that proposition. So absolutely not. I'm still with it. Christian, I love you too, my friend. I love you too, my friend. I sold 275 $8 calls for Friday, up 90% from last week. All right, hey, nothing wrong with taking profits. There's never anything wrong with taking profits, right? I mean, you know, if you have to sell now for family reasons, whatever the hell you're doing, all right, whatever, man. You know, whatever. Hey, if the Fed could crash the markets tomorrow, so, you know, why am I the one that's laughing, right? We could go down freaking $6 tomorrow. Seriously, we could. Or, you know, or the more likely option, probably, I would say it's more likely, is that high growth recovers after a big ass overreaction today. That's what I would say, right? I mean, man, I don't know. We'll see, though. Okay, anything can happen. Please make your own decisions. Please do it. All right, if you're long, it doesn't matter. If you're like, when I say long, I don't mean if you are a trader and you're long, as in you have share, you're buying and you think it's going to go up. I'm talking about long-term hodlers. I'm talking about Fellowship of the Sapphire, long-term ass hodlers of BNGO, man. All right. The company's trying to cure cancer. Meanwhile, you're shorting. Yeah. I know. That's the freaking moral issue with shorting. It's like, why do you want to kill companies, especially one like this? It's like, dude, the company is literally, it's only, I mean, if you want to be like a short-term short, if you want to like trade it short, like, all right, I guess that's cool, but the company's trying to save lives, man. It's not, it's hard to be a short on a company with such a moral cause such as Bionano, man. The company's trying to cure cancer. Meanwhile, you're shorting it. I love it. But great companies are excellent to hold on to. Yes, they are. Imagine something like the guy on Lost that had to push the button to keep the island from blowing up. There's a position for each short. That their job is to control the price of the target. I don't remember that. Is Lost worth watching? You know what? I should watch that. I've seen a fair amount of it, but I probably should watch that, honestly. Right now, I'm still rewatching Game of Thrones, kid. That's how sad it is. There's no new good shows, right? There's nothing. Pure evil shorting a life-saving company. It really is. I mean, it really is. When is inflation data coming? Well, we just got inflation data the other freaking, last week, was it? Right? Yeah, last week was CPI. Hold on. Yeah, last week was the core CPI, Consumer Price Index, and Consumer Sentiment Index. And this week, let's see if we have anything next week. I haven't actually looked at this yet. Good. Nothing inflation. Oh, we have consumer spending. Okay. Core PCE Price Index. Not as bad. It can't be. It can't be worse than this week, right? This week we have the father of all hells, right? Nice fat doji. Oh yeah. Well, yeah, ish. Where's the top of it? Yeah. I see what you. I mean, yeah. Watch Ozark. I can't. I hate them. I can't. I can't watch Ozark. Nope. Is the market down in anticipation of Powell's? Is it Powell's? I call it J. You know what? I'm just gonna call him JP so people don't get mad at me for mispronouncing it. Is JP's speech tomorrow? Yeah, it's a conference. Get it right, you son of a bitch. Yeah. I'm kidding. Russell 3000 is next week. It's 25th. Yeah, so Friday. Yeah, right there. Okay, here, let me zoom in for you. All right, yeah. So this is when it should be. 25th Friday. That's the Russell, right? Boom. Yes, sir. Russell is going to be 25th. Yep. Yes. The 5 and 15 minute make me sleep a little. I know. I can relate to that. Yeah. I know. Oh, on the 1? You're looking on the 1? Bro, it's just Oh, this is why I hate. This is what. The only thing that makes me not want to stream as much as we do is because the price action is just. I mean, there's been so many great days, right? Last week was absolutely awesome, and it got me used to freaking like awesomeness, like going up so much and so much news. Not even going up necessarily, but just having so much to talk about, right? Nowadays, I mean, we got great news yesterday too. We've got nothing today, but yesterday was awesome. I mean, there wasn't much, but it wasn't much to dissect, honestly, but it was still great to see, right? It was great to see. So. But yeah, today is just boring price. It's almost always we almost always barcode. There's almost always not much to. I mean, it's not honestly for such a volatile stock. It's not as exciting as you would think it would be on the intraday trading. I would say, at least for me. I don't know. The bears are like Littlefinger. Peter Baelish. I like. You know what? I like him in the earlier seasons. I like him actually. So no, the bears are like. The Bears are more like Joffrey, I would say. Yeah. Bears are like Joffrey. Yeah. The Bears are not smart enough to be Littlefinger. No way. Baelish is way better than that. Yeah. Baelish actually plans for the future. The Bears, they're planning not to have a future when they're holding their short positions and doubling down on this shit every day when we're down, right? They should be covering because they're freaking making money today. No, they're doubling down because they're idiots and they don't understand that if the markets don't get crashed tomorrow, we're going to be up another 5% tomorrow, most likely. Okay, please do your own research though. Are we about to freaking flip the bearish on the 5-minute SAR? Are you kidding me? Oh, Robbie equals Joffrey. Yeah, but then again though, you're right. I just said that I'm an idiot though. But then again, the Bears their Bears are not kingly. The Bears are like. You know what? The Bears are like, I don't know. I want to say they're like Reek, Theon Greyjoy. Just finished season 5. I'm rewatching. I'm on season 5 right now. Oh, man. Oh, you're talking about Peaky Blinders. Oh, no. I was talking about Game of Thrones. Sorry. If it hits 8 again, if it hits 8 again, excuse me, I'm exiting my position. And if it does not make it there, I'm out before it hits 4. My friend... Explain to me how we would hit 4 unless if the headquarters... I mean, if it does... the only way we'd hit 4 is if either the headquarters gets blown up, the CEO gets shot in the head, or the Fed just crashes the markets, or the markets crash for some reason. That's the only way. Those are the only ways that we see $4. I mean, seriously, I mean that. I mean, I could be wrong, but there's no other way I see it hitting $4. There's no other way I see it hitting 5. Even 6, maybe. All right? Because fundamentally, we're better now. Guys, remember this. Right now, as you are watching this, we are fundamentally better than we've ever been before, right? And also, remember this is the key point. No one understands that. No one knows why that is true. And you can watch the last videos that we did. No one does anymore because whatever, YouTube, whatever, okay? No one understands why the leaps are bullish. No one understands why the CBO and CCO additions to our team is so bullish. And as I'm saying this, the irony, the price action's irony is it never lacks to amuse. We just got the 5-minute SAR flip to bearish, and we're starting to break down. Right when I started talking, nice. Right. Do you have any idea how volatile this stock really is? No, it's not like I've been following it. It's not like we've been streaming it live every single day for like the last 2 months. No, I'm not picking on you, but yeah, no, we're not gonna see. Explain to me. I'm sorry, I don't mean to disrespect you, but no, there's no way we're gonna see. Who said that? Yeah, no, $4 is absolutely insane. $4, I think. Okay, that's just me. Okay, but you're talking about losing almost 50% of the value from here. All right, that's absolutely insane. Even if the markets were to crash, that might be a little much. All right, 20%, 30%, like seeing $6 again, low 5s, maybe $4. I mean, I feel like that's a little bit fanciful, to be honest with you. Okay, I would love it. I would love if that happened. Right, the channel would suffer. Everyone would hate me. Okay, everyone hates me when Bionano is down. But whatever, I would triple my position if that's the case. All right. I'm the dragon. Wait, what? Ronnie said 210. Yeah, no. Robbie was 210, I believe. Look at this. It's 210. Robbie thinks we're going to 210 by July 20th. Too funny. Fundamentally overvalued. Name. Okay, if that's the case, I'm not going to get pissed off at you because I know you're just trolling. But give me one reason why the Sapphire will not replace every single CMA fish and karyotyping machine and method in the world by the time that we get the 14x throughput, and well, not by that time, but with the 14x higher throughput, with the LOH structural variant class/type detection plus SNV detection. Plus you've got oh, this is the one I forgot. I knew I forgot one innovation from earlier. Plus you got the cost. It's already Sapphire is already cost effective, and the cost is gonna like 1/4 to 1/5 by 2023. Wait. Yeah, 2023 or before. Yep, that's right. So you explain if this is fundamentally overvalued, you better have a case. You better have a damn good case as to why the Sapphire doesn't work, because that's the only case you have. Otherwise, we're going to be making $3 billion in revenue per the company's words if we have 10,000 Sapphires installed, which is easy. In the company's mind, their global Sapphire adoption would be way more than 10,000. Okay, I shouldn't say it's easy. That's a little bit too much, but you know what I mean, right? You know what I mean. It's absolutely insane to say this is fundamentally overvalued. It's absolutely the only way you would say it's fundamentally overvalued. And I know this for a fact because I've seen it 1,000 times. Okay, there's 1,000 bears that tell me it's overvalued, and then when I explain them what the hell's going on, they're like, "Oh wow, sorry, I was too rash. I didn't know that. Okay, thank you." And then they switch their mind, right? It's because they don't understand what the hell Sapphire does, and they don't understand the lack of academic praise, right? According to one article, at least, that's one of the biggest reasons why the Sapphire has not actually been used yet. Also, resistance to change. Also, the fact that it's just if you're not a high volume lab, as long as if you're a really low volume lab, I can see why you wouldn't switch. Maybe even then, you can use the services part, right? Just mail your samples in and get them, and then do it. It's still better. All right. Did that person respond? Let's see. Low bro, you're speculating. No, I'm not. It's factual. The Sapphire is cost effective. It's got a higher throughput. It's got faster turnaround time, less hands-on time, and what's the last one? God, I'm forgetting. God, I can't think today. I don't know. Anyways, yeah, it's better in every way. It's more. Oh no, it's more accurate. It's got better. The structural variant detection. None of the other methods do anything like the Sapphire. All right, this is the company's own information, not mine. I'm not speculating. Those are all facts. Okay, you want me to prove those all to you on the stream? I can. Okay, I've done it 1,000 times before. All the information is here, all of it. All right, here. You want me to do it right now? I'll do it. You know what? I'll just do it just because I bet some bastards don't believe me. All right, right. Here. There you go. Right here. Boom. OGM. It's got better detection in all the variant classes, pretty much. It does more than anything else, right? There's your karyotyping, there's your crappy fish, there's your crappy CMA, right? That's as simple as it gets. All right? Saying this is fundamentally overvalued is like saying, it's like saying Bitcoin is going to go to zero because of the existence of gold or some shit. All right, I don't know. So I bet some of y'all might think that, so I shouldn't say that. But you know what I mean, right? It doesn't have zero revenue. What is the guy saying? I want every house. Who's the bear here? I'm forgetting. David Jones, is that it? Once they actually sell enough Sapphires, you can say that. Yeah, buy high, sell low. This guy is the everything money suck up, right? He buys. Right, just listen to Everything Money, right? Just wait till this is what Everything Money said. They said, "Why buy it now? It's so risky. Wait till they already have revenue and they prove it's good, and buy it at $300. Just buy it then." It's like, dude, you're buying high, and you're not buying low and selling high. You're just buying high. Like what? Oh man, if you want to make 5% a year, boom, there you go. You got scared money doesn't make money, man. If you don't take risk, you can't do anything. All right, the bears are like, oh man, this should be $1 mass. Yeah, this is just a troll. Okay, this is just a troll. I always ask the bears. Give me one reason why the Sapphire is not better than any other method in greater than 500 base pair detection. They can't name anything because it's the best. It's the best in the world. It's the best in the world at what it does. All right. There's no debating it, and it's only going to get better. It's with the end of, unless some crazy technology comes by and just blows out the part, right? NAPSIS is the closest thing, and they're like years away, right? 1 month to map an entire genome per the CEO, our CEO, Eric. There's no one that's close to us. So Sapphire is nothing compared to Illumina. Well, actually, name me any Illumina product that can do greater than 500 BP SV detection better than Sapphire. There's none. Okay, a trick question. There is none. All right, so no, it's absolutely false. And did you know that a lot of labs are actually using Sapphire not only to complement Illumina, but they're likely to, in the future, with the NanoNoz release, they're likely to completely replace Illumina's shit once we get that SNV detection. 10,000 shares just bought to ask. More like 20,000. Price goes down. Typical, right? Oh, typical, typical. Never gets old, never gets old. 15 minutes till the close. All right. Also, are y'all noticing the 21K bid? I don't like what's happening here. BNGO bulls equals pumpers. Oh man, yeah, we know. That's how you know it's a troll. Hey, ad hominem, guys. Remember, ad hominem. Hominin? Yeah, no, hominem. Is that how you pronounce it? I don't know. The what the fallacy is when you attack the person and not their point. That's how you know they're a bear. That's how you know they're a troll. Also, for all the bulls out there that are reading these chats and you know David Jones reading the shit that he's saying, I want you to think back to any other bear that you've ever seen on this channel. Have any of them ever stuck around for more than like a month or even a week and actually tried to debate us? No, no one has ever had a coherent bear case. Okay, it's fine if you're bearish. I'm not gonna suppress you or censor you or whatever. But unless you're, if you're gonna have but I would just want to say, just be wary of the FUD spreading bears, because we've obviously seen. I mean, you guys know how many we've seen. Okay, you guys know it. All right, I don't even have to explain to you how many bears that we've had on May 13th when the price is $4.30, making fun of the bulls for adding. Now our portfolios are better than the bears have ever had. Right, literally the bears don't even know what they're looking at when they see our gains. Okay, David Jones, you want to see something? I don't do this to brag. I don't do this to brag. Okay, the money is important, but that's not what we're working on here. 71% in the green. All right, good luck getting 71%. I don't do this brag. 71% in the green if you're a bear long term on BNGO. All right, historically, it just doesn't work. Do you know why? Because if you look at the here, let me just do it this way. Let me show you something, bears. Let me show y'all something here. If we go to the option chain, right? If you go to the longest expiration, right? January 20th, 2023. Okay. If we look at the open interest, all right, right there. Okay, open interest column here and here. Calls are on the left, puts are on the right. If you look at the open interest, what do you notice? Okay, there's way more calls that are actually out there, call contracts that are out there and not yet sold or exercised on the bull side, on the call side, compared to the put side. What does this tell you? People that are betting on it are betting bullish long term. Okay, and this is obviously, I mean, this coincides perfectly with the institutions, and you guys know I don't really like the whole institutional ownership. I don't like worshiping the institutions, but this is actually a good point here, right? Out of 142 institutional owners, most of them are bullish, right? They own shares or a call, right? There's only 15 that don't have only bullish ownership types. So as far as calls and shares, so there you go. I mean, there you go. All right. And my whole point of that is that this is the whole point, right? Ape language. No one is seriously betting against Bionano long term. Okay, I mean even Simon Barnett, the retard himself. I'm sorry. I don't mean to be rude. But at this point, I feel like he's earned that name. But basically, even he understands, and I think he said in a couple of tweets, by this company may be great. This company may, it may have a good future. It's just not worth me investing for some dumbass reason. Okay, I don't know what the hell he's saying. He doesn't know what he's saying. Okay, that's a little bit too harsh, but you know what I mean. Okay, this is a raw channel. I'm not here to freaking. This isn't a sugar coated channel. This isn't me, Kevin. Where if you know what I mean. Okay, you know what I mean. I'm not gonna give the spiel. You've already heard the spiel enough. I'm sitting happy with my puts. Everything Money knows way more than any of you clowns. I'm out of here, clowns. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh my gosh. All right, see you, man. Have fun with Everything Money. All right. By the way, I'm sure you didn't know this, David Jones, if you're still here, but please feel free to watch the video I did debunking everything those stock enthusiasts or whatever the hell they want to call themselves said about Bionano, because they didn't mention. They basically said BNGO is a bad company because it's got a high shares outstanding, and because most companies in a good field don't make it, and because it's losing money. It's like, wow. Good analysis. You're a prodigy. It's like, no. This is like exactly why this is like the exact opposite of what Cathie Wood has done the last year, right? Everyone loves Cathie Wood now, right? Literally, Cathie Wood would hate that, okay? Don't take it from me. Just get it. Just take it from her, all right? I mean, it doesn't. I don't even need to explain to you what's wrong with that, okay? You can't judge a company on 3 things, all right? That's stupidity. That's stupidity. I think we just had like a legitimate troll. I don't think that person is serious. I ended the Patreon. Yeah, I'm done with the I'm done with Patreon. That shit. Mythical says he's bought a $15 call for next week. He has snapped. Wait, he's always been snapped. Wait, is he back? No. Where is Mythical Physics? He became so bullish. When did he become bullish? Yesterday or the day before? I think it was yesterday, right? Somebody confirm that for me. But yeah, he said he was gonna. He said it was gonna go to $9, and now we're down. I watch him flip to bearish now. Oh my gosh. Oh man. You got to pick a side, man. If you know it's a horrible sign if you're flip flopping to bullish from bullish to bearish and then you're calling yourself a bullish bear or whatever. I respect him if he's going to be serious, like if he's actually going to be seriously admit his fault and realize that he's just judging the company on a few things, which is a quintessential fallacy of composition, right? Looking at part, applying it to the whole. Perfect example. That's what he is. That's what he is. That's what he's done, I think. Okay, or he's seriously going to be a bull now. Okay, I don't know for sure. Anyways. Right, we buying at close. All right, y'all want to buy at close? I'll buy 1 share. If everyone wants to do their part in kind of sticking it to the fucking market makers and manipulators, sure. I mean, there's obvious manipulation. Okay, is there anyone out there that doesn't think there's a very high chance that manipulation has happened and is happening right now? Is there anyone that doesn't think that? Oh man, can't be mad at David since he came from everything circus. It's no surprise that he's a clown. That's exactly right. Exactly right. Yes, buying 20. Please don't buy just because I'm buying, though. Y'all have to understand, if we're going to actually buy 1 share at the same time together, we did this one time before, and it had 0 Fed on the stop price. Also, this is basically just for fun, basically. Also, I guess just to do our part in sticking it to the manipulators, I guess. Because if we do hodl and continue to go up and hold this ascending trend line, we will probably get some sort of a squeeze. I think we will. Look at the damn spread. Of course we're being shorted. Well, yeah, of course we're being shorted. Are we being manipulated, though? But yeah, look at the spread. Yeah. You can see plenty of times. You can see it plenty of times. There's manipulation. There's plenty of manipulation examples that we've witnessed in the streams. There's plenty. For buying at close. Mickey, Mike R, thank you so much. I probably butchered your names like 5 different times. I'm sorry. Thank you so much, my friend Legendary. All right, I have to do 1 share now. I have to. This is serious business. All right. Slap the ass. Yeah, here we go. It's time to slap the ass, boys. Or just put your what time are we doing this, by the way? Are we doing this like 1 minute before? I say we do it just to keep it simple. I say we do it in the last minute of the market open. All right, so 2:59 Central, 3:59 Eastern. All right, so what? 6 minutes here. I say that's when we do it. I have to buy 1 share now. Someone did the donation for us, so yeah. 1 share? Oh, come on, man. Hey, come on. Yesterday, the person was at 20K shares this morning, 50K this afternoon. Yeah. I'm only doing 1 share. Here's why I'm only doing 1 share. Guys, I'll make you this promise, okay? People, here's the thing. Here's why I'm not buying more shares, okay? I'll try to give you the rant very quickly, all right? I would be buying thousands of shares. I will be buying thousands of shares after my fears about the government spending and economic policies and inflation go down. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm not trying to scare everybody, but for me personally, there is a big risk I see. There's a realistic chance that the markets get a correction from here. I love Bionano. I don't love the markets right now, so that's the only reason why I'm not buying more shares. I'm sorry. Oh man. All right, here we go. Here we go. We got 5 minutes left. Just bought 5 shares. Legend. Please know what you're doing though. What are we doing? All right, so here's what we're doing. This is please, I'm not trying to pump this shit. I'm just I'm just trying to, I don't know, it's just a fun thing. Y'all are making me, I have to do it now, right? Somebody sent me the money to do it, okay? So we have to do it now, all right? But basically, we're buying 1 share in the last minute of the market open, so 2:59 Central. What if BNGO moons before you buy more? I'll add. I don't care, dude. I'm serious. I'm serious. When I said I'm trying to get 10,000 shares before the end of the summer, that's my goal. I mean, it's probably gonna be more like 2,000 to 5,000 that I'm gonna get, but I'll easily get 2,000 here in a couple. Easily have two, if not more, if not way more than that. All right, here we go. Don't let me forget. Do not let me forget to add shares. I will forget. I will go on a rant, and I will literally completely forget to add shares. If I did that, I would just add in the after hours. But yeah, I'll try my best not to forget. Oh man, no, I'm not waiting for it to go below 6 to buy shares. No. I'm just, the only reason why I have buying power right now is for the potential risk of the market screwing everyone over and then Bionano subsequently getting decimated with the whole high growth sector. The chance of that. That's the bear case. It's not necessarily guaranteed to happen, right? It's not guaranteed to happen, but if it does, obviously that's okay. There we go. The pressure on the something definitely shorts, something wants this stock. Trust me on that. All right, here we go. Who's doing the 1 share? Who's doing the 1 share at the close? Is anyone else doing this? This is a lost call. This is just, oh man, this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be interesting. It's probably not gonna move at all. We did this once before and it didn't move at all. And we gotta buy at the ask too, right? So not necessarily at the ask. You just have to buy at least 1 cent higher than what the price is, I guess, right? So. I'm not delayed. Okay, well, I'm delayed. I have it on ultra low latency. The stream is on the lowest latency and delay that it possibly can be. Newsweed, send me the details. Join our Discord and send me the details and the proof, please, my friend. We would love to have you there. Free link in the description. It's very easy to set up a free Discord account. It's free, my friends. Doesn't seem like Nasdaq 100 is going down this week. Doesn't seem like it. I don't think so. I like our chances tomorrow, to be honest with you. But anything, the Fed has a mind of its own. Okay, JP, good luck trying to predict what that man is. That man is insane. All right, so. All right, here we go. Down 6% on the day. Here we go. Are we going to send this? What if the stock went up like, I don't know. I'm just speculating at this point. We got 30,000 to be sold at 737. The whales are out and the whales are playing with us. There's 1,000 walls up. None of these are real. There's no shares actually being filled. There's no shares actually going through. 2 minutes. Here we go. Right when the start, we're gonna add one more. Once the 252. Whoa! What is this? Look at this. Oh my! Of course we're going down right now. All right, this was 40.37 million at what 128. Now it's 40.73. Almost 2% up short interest on the day. How else do you explain? Oh my gosh! Yeah, just wow, dude. Oh, I'm trying not to get pissed off right now, but I can't help it. I mean, this is literally, if people understood what was going on right now with the short interest ever increasing, even when we're on a day where we're down 6%, they would know that if we collectively, by and large, hodl, it's over. It's absolutely over. The shorts they have nowhere else to go. That's as simple as it gets. Check the video. What are you talking about? I'll check that out soon. Pat Bio a video on the Pat Bio channel. Ooh, is it new? Let me know if that's new. On the Discord, I won't see if it's in the chat probably. All right, 40 seconds, and then I'm buying 1 share at the ask. Look at the whales. Look at the whales mess with us. 100K to be bought. Yeah, right. All right, here we go. Yeah, I'm adding 1 share. Yeah. Feel free to do this with me. I guess it's so poorly orchestrated, of course, because it's me. 1 share at the ask or at a price that is higher than the current stop price. Right when in 15 seconds, right when 1 minute, last minute of the market. That's when we're gonna do it. I'm gonna get my order ready here. All right, we're gonna do 1 share. We're gonna do 1 share, and we're gonna do here. I'll do it at 739 just to be nice. I'll do it 2 cents above. There we go. All right, here we go. Boom. Here we go. 1 share. Boom. No effect at all. We had no effect at all. Can we even get rid of this bar? Can we close on a green candle even? FLGT may want to be a player in this market with BNGO. Yeah, I've heard some speculation about that. Here we go. 20 seconds to the close. We'll see if buys come in at the close. Wouldn't be surprised if they do. Newsweed owns over 1 million shares. Yeah. I saw one of Newsweed's videos the other day, and it said he owns some crazy amount of shares. I would love to see. I believe you, Newsweed, my friend, but I would love to see a screenshot of that position on the Discord if you'd like. That'd be awesome. Oh my gosh. Here we go. All right, here we go. There it is. Buys, I'm guessing. It probably is. Here we go. Yep, it's buys. Yep, yes, sir. Another 100,000. Oh, okay. We got some selling as well. What the heck? We've got a little bit of both going on. All right, let's go ahead and analyze it. All right, that's interesting. Here we go. All right, so, oh, what the? After hours. Here we go again. Right when the after hours starts, booms, right? Boom, right? All right, let me go. So right before, by the 15:59:50s. Oh, what the? Okay, let's just focus on this for now. So a lot of selling right before the 1600 tick. Then we're getting buying right here. Okay, so 10,000. This is rough math, by the way. 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 45,000-ish. 50,000, 60, 70, 80, 90,000-ish. Okay, so I would say around 100,000 shares added at the close at 737. So, not huge. Nothing huge. Nothing huge. Is this new? I know I saw it, but is it new? Is this new news? We can watch it right now. Is it a new study? Does anyone know? I guess I'll just have to find out for myself. Let's see. Okay, so it just came out. Optical mapping to decipher structural composition. I'll put this link in the chat if y'all want to see it. Oh, okay, Newsweed, sure. Here, Newsweed, my friend, Newsweed. Go to my email. It's in the description. My email's in the description, then I can give you my number through there. Yeah. Yes, sir. Or you can join the Discord and I can private message you. Either way. The volume at lower, what? What are we talking about? You're making me worry. All right, it was put up. Yeah, it was. This just came out. Yeah, it looks like this just came out. We're not. I don't think we want to read this. I don't think we want to watch this on stream, do we? You want to? I guess we can. It looks like the 2019-2020 presentation. Always. It's always something new. I mean, it's all. No, I mean, sorry. It's always something old. I mean, sorry. Let's see if they have any information in here. Nope. Not about the date. Old news. Dang it. Dang it. We'll see if we start running after hours again. Havana, I'm curious why you think they're screwed if we keep hitting 8 after hours. It would be insane if we could hit that today. We would have to go up an insane amount today. I gotta go. You can easily find me. Okay, yeah, email. My friend, here, hold on. I'll put my email in the chat right now. If you don't want to, it's in the description, but I'll go ahead and put it right there. It's auspiciousbusiness@yahoo.com. Email me there, my friend, Newsweed. Email me there. I would love to get in touch with you, my friend. Any sort of passionate Bionano shareholder with 1 million shares. Hell yeah, I want to talk to you. Hell, I'll have you on for an interview. You want to do an interview, Newsweek? If you got 1 million shares, I'll have you on stream, my friend. Mark my words, we will do it. We're also gonna do a collab with what's his name, Mr. Investle, on one of these days. He said he said he's busy. Well, I don't know when this is gonna be, but it'll be fun. It'll be fun. All right. All right, guys. There's nothing else new. There's nothing else new. All right, last minute questions for all the people that get mad at me that are like, you know, you know, picking and choosing questions. I'm sorry. I try to read them all, but now go ahead and ask all your questions. I will respond to all of them now. Do a collab with Frunkla Investment. Yeah, I already tried. He didn't respond to me. So I already tried that. Yeah, I'll hit him up again maybe if he wants. He has them. I called them. Well, I want to see the actual thing. I want to actually see it. If it's okay. Stock Mo, BNGO Bull. Really? Stock Mo is a BNGO Bull? Seriously? Seriously? Is that true? We're up 0.5% after hours. They will have to double down on borrowed shares again tomorrow, and they will have pressure on them from AMC and GME. The very little of the fall from 920 was sell-off. That's not bad. That's not a bad reasoning. The only thing I would say is that, you know, the short interest has increased since. Well, I don't know if actually. I don't know if total since 920. I don't know if the short interest has actually increased in total. It's definitely not decreased a lot, if not maybe increased a little bit. But yeah, there has been several buy side imbalances. All right. Oh, there's too many. Better make a collab with Dr. D, my friend. I've already tried. I've already sent him an email. I sent everything money an email, trades. Dr. Dean, no one responds to me. Okay, I understand why. Okay, they look at me and they're like, dude, who the hell is this? Okay. What kind of name is auspicious dissenT? I don't even know what that means. What the hell? Yeah, they probably don't even read it. Yeah, so. All right. How are you going to get 10K shares as a student? I feel poor. I'm probably not going to get 10K shares, to be honest with you. But I will probably get in the 2,000 to 3,000 range here pretty soon. If we see $5 again, I will be above 2,000, if not 4,000 here pretty soon. Will you consider oxygen if it keeps recovering from that 30% drop? No. Well, no, I don't mean that. Oh, yeah, that sounded so bearish. No, I'm not necessarily bearish on oxygen, but I would have to do a ton of research on the company if I was going to actually do it. Yeah, sorry, and I just don't know. I haven't done it yet. All right, lost money in a day. I said earlier in the morning, but you missed it. I like when you do the hypotheticals, like pretend to be a bear. Can you do the hypothetical of if you found another stock that inspired you, like BNGO? My friend, KDJO, my friend. You're awesome, by the way, Jo. You're a freaking legend, by the way. I recognize you. You're always here, man. You're a freaking legend, by the way. But I don't really know exactly. Hypothetically, if you found another stock that inspired you, like BNGO, I don't know. There is nothing like BNGO, to be honest with you. Pretty much. Trades is pumping AMC for bananas. I just put an order 1K at 736. Did it just get filled? It couldn't have just got filled. It's not showing up here, but sometimes they don't show up. Collab with Mr. Invest a Lot. Yeah, we are. We are collabing with Mr. Invest a Lot. Yep, you will see a collab with Mr. Invest a Lot one of these days. Yes. 99% chance. All right. After our stock will go up. I agree. BNGO price target end of year. That's a good question. I always say likely case is $20. I think likely case is $20. That's what I say. I think I've been watching Bingo longer than you, but once I found someone else with the same conviction in BNGO as me, I had to instantly subscribe. I appreciate that a lot. Did you just found me? Oh, man, that's awesome. I love your name, by the way. Great minds think alike. CTXR, I do like CTXR, yes, to be honest with you, yes. But yeah, that's awesome. I've been watching BNGO. That's awesome. That's awesome, man. That's absolutely amazing. I think CleanSpark is good, but a company, but they have 90% clean Bitcoin mining. Dale at Franklin Investments knows who you are, and said he wants to do a collaboration with you and Mr. Invest a Lot. He did? When? I send him here. I'll send him a freaking. I'll send him a Twitter message again. I'll do it on stream. How's that? Right here. Okay. Here we go. Here, let me do this. Let's collab my BNGO brother. What should I say? Lord of the Rings reference. What should I say? He doesn't watch Lord of the Rings, probably. I don't know. Maybe he does. Hopefully he does. There we go. Let's do it. Dude, I'm open to it. Let's do it. I don't know what we're going to do. I don't know what we're going to do, but all right. Wait, he mentioned me today. I feel special now. I feel special. Oh, I stay away from oxygen. It's not mRNA and NVAX. They're like PFE. All right. Would you split your portfolio up or something like that? Thanks for the shout out. I found you on the stock Twitch board. Or stock Twits, I think. Stock Twits board, I think you mean. Been on BNGO board since April 2020. And yeah, that's pretty much all I met. Kind of like what would happen if you did, kind of like what you meant. What would happen if you did find another BNGO? Yeah, I'll tell you what I wouldn't do. I would not sell BNGO shares to go for another one. I mean, it would have to be something incredible. I mean, here's the thing. Okay, no, I'll tell you, if Bitcoin freaking, this is not a Bionano one, but I'll tell you what, if Bitcoin crashed again, if Mora saw like $15 or $10 or $5 again, that's not going to happen. But if it did, right, hypothetically, yeah, I would add shares, definitely. I have plenty of buying power to do it. How many BNGO leaps do you hold? Yes, I saw your email. I have not responded to your email yet, but okay, here you go. This is it. Okay, so I only hold three contracts. $5 strike price in the money for that lower time decay. Now, please take this with a grain of salt. I don't know. Okay, I'm in options. I'm not an options guru. Options, half the stuff I don't understand. Okay, y'all know. Plenty of y'all know more about options than I do. But I have a $5 strike price in the money. 2023, January 2020, the expiration. That's my call. That's my leaps. That's my leaps option right there. So yeah, man. Yeah, that's what I like in the money. That's what I like. Thanks for the answer and for bearing with my typos. Thank you so much, my friend. You're too legendary. Yeah, I try my best with those, man. Oh man, you're a legend, my friend. I have that same one, but $3 strike price. Did the short interest rise today or decline? Rise, my friend. Well, the video is. That's too funny. Okay, it looks like it just decreased a little bit, but yeah, it rose a ton. And this is why I know for a fact that the shorts are greedy as hell, and why I know one of these days, if we get any favors, right, we're gonna squeeze one of these days. All right, that's a little bit too bullish. Please make your own decision. But yeah, one of these days, if the short just doesn't dramatically decline, you know what's gonna happen. Prediction after hours 6 or 8 will the pump and dump occur today again? I don't know what to say to that. $6 or $8? I don't know. I sold 10% at 9 to buy 50K at AMC. No regrets so far, but I'm still holding 30K at BNGO. Heretic, burn them off with the head. No, I'm messing. Mora has more contracts to bring their hash rate up a lot more. Yes, they have way more miners. The miners is going to be insane. They have like what is it, Jay? You know freaking every company, man. I swear to God. It's like, 200,000 miners coming in? They have a totally clean and regulation abiding by pool miner base coming in North America. The largest one in North America coming in soon. It's being set up. I don't know. Is it already set up? I don't know. More on RIOT, I pick up every time it dips below 28. Yes, sir. Everyone loves Bitcoin now that it's up. Everyone will hate it next week when it's down. Not saying you don't, but yeah. I'm subscribed to you both, and I demand a collab video. Yeah, dude, I want to. Dayo's a good man. He does good DD as well. Yeah, I'm in it. Dude, his Sapphire Installations DD is awesome. Oh, man. All right. I bought 5 shares yesterday, and it didn't move my average at all. How many shares do you have? Is it really close to your average or something? I thought Bitfarms had the best hash rate. Not set up yet. Your stream has replaced Tool as my driving music. Thanks, bro. Lol. That's awesome. I have not seen any. That's not Tool. Isn't really a metal band. I wouldn't really say they're kind of like that progressive metal, progressive rock sort of thing. But I like Tool. When Fear Inoculum came out, I was listening to that. Oh man, I was enjoying that. What do you call it? Yeah, I was enjoying that. Do you own SOS stock? No, I don't. But yeah, I'm a metalhead by heart. Metalhead by heart. Will the markets be green tomorrow? I wish I knew, but I would honestly, okay, make your own decision. But I think tomorrow is gonna be. I think it's more likely that tomorrow is green than red, but it easily could freaking crash and Bionano can get decimated. Sure, it can definitely happen, right? If it does, we're gonna be suffering together, right? We're gonna be the carnage will be shared. That's damn sure. Fed's talking tomorrow, so who knows? Yeah, I mean, the sell-off is already, it's already priced in. But are they gonna do well? Okay, who knows? No one knows. I hate the Weeble comments that act like they know what's going on. For the collab, do you already have ideas in mind? What would it look like? Poll topics. I don't know, but it would. I don't know. We'll figure it out. It'll be good. It'll be good. Samuel E., you're welcome, my friend. You're welcome, my friend. Oh, of course. Just what video the study? Just watch the video. Is the study shows how old tech can detect deformities in a particular gene, and new tech from BNGO and PatBio are far superior. Yeah, but it's old though, isn't it? I mean, Jay, what do you call it? Our freaking DD legends that know everything about everything in the world, know more than me. They told us it was old, so I trust them. I trust them mostly. Sup, dude? I haven't been around for a few days, so I figured I'd drop in and say hi. Keep up the good work. I'll be a little missing in action until I'm done over at AMC BNGO's next. All right, K&K. Fair enough. Legend, my friend, legend. You're a legend. What time are the Feds tomorrow? It's going to be 2 p.m. Eastern time. That is when the Federal Reserve announcement is. And then the JP is going to be 2:30 Eastern time, my friend. According to the economic calendar, right? All right, so number 1, interview each other, personal. Number 2, what's your investing history? Number 3, comparing notes. Hell yeah, man. Dude, I'm excited for that. That's going to be fun. Yeah, get your get out of AMC and into BNGO ASAP. Yeah, come on, let's go. Oh man, hearing you go over this stuff daily definitely helps me understand and conviction. I'm sure we all feel the same. To keep it up, thank you, Aaron Dennis, freaking legend. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate that. Comments like times like these where everyone is saying this stuff. That's what keeps me going, man. And I'm not okay. I love what we do. It's not work to me. I love what we do. It's too awesome. Especially when Robbie Smith comes in and it's just funny as hell. Sometimes we have too good of a time on the streams, as you all know. Like yesterday. Brandon, can you check out Oxygen real quick? I can check the price real quick. I'll tell you what, really quick. Let's see. It's not doing anything, is it? It's not doing anything. Where's it at? 2%. It's not doing anything. $6 again? What happened to that? I thought this thing just went up. Okay, looks like it was doing great. All right, never mind then. All right. My cole's bleeding though. Yeah. I can relate. I can relate, my friend. Trust me. Ever since I saw your first vid like 2 weeks ago, I've watched live every day. Freaking legend, man. Freaking legend, dude. What is this after hours price action though? What is this? Collab topics. Yeah, I'll do that. I will do that. That's gonna be fun for all the OGs. I'm putting out there to help Brandon for all his work. He's literally working full time for us. So the best we can do is when we reach $10, we have to donate $50 per person to support. Freaking legend. We should talk about collab topics. Yeah, I say what we just did there. What did he say? Interview, personal. What's your investing history? And then comparing notes, comparing due diligence. Yeah, that's cool. I don't know. It'd be good. You put 2 BNGO boys in the same room or the same Zoom call, and it'll just, freaking, an hour will go by, and they'll be like, dude, what the hell just happened? It'll be just 2 madmen running their mouths with no one understanding. That's what it'll be. We need to get our own Wall Street bets going and push good companies. Yes, we do, and that's why I actually set up the Auspicious Bets community that has literally done nothing. I set this up out of optimism because the channel was doing really well, and I'm not complaining, but I did set this out of optimism that the channel was actually going to start kind of getting some, getting some traction, which it is. It's doing great. I'm very thankful for our community is freaking legendary. Already is. I'm already, even if the channel is going to die from here, I'm already extremely thankful for what we've had. But this is, getting a Reddit community to have, to be active, it's like, dude, it's like good luck. So even with a community like this one, but that Auspicious Bets is the Reddit community that we actually did make in an attempt to replace Wall Street Bets with exactly what it is, but also less stupidity. But ape stuff is fine. Also, no censorship on selectively stocks. Right, any stock, I'm not going to censor it. Okay, as long as it fits the rules. All right. Looking forward to my AMC gain and adding to my BNGO. I'm up 16K so far and dropping it all on BNGO. can't wait for the AMC drama to end. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I want that squeeze to just happen. Lingering fear from price bullying won't wear off until about 5:30, and then the bids will go up, and the ask will gain confidence. SENS, my friend. All right, real quick. It's down. What is it down on the day? SENS 6% on the day, similar to Bionano. My thoughts on it, I don't have many thoughts. I don't know enough to give you a strong opinion on it, right? Otherwise, I'd be a fallacy composition exemplary example person, right? No, I'm not doing that. I'm not effectuating that. No, sir. So I don't know exactly. I can't really say. My friend. I mean, it's gone up a lot, okay? Do you think a cooldown wasn't coming, right? All right. The link didn't go anywhere. What? It works for me. It's interesting. Weird. All right, here, let me try it again. That's weird. Try the link in the description. Maybe I have a link in the description as well. It should work, though. That's weird. I don't know. Anyways, all right, last minute questions, then we're out. We're out of here. No, I'm not doing ticket requests. I'm sorry. Unless it's one that we do all the time. Sorry. It just doesn't work. Every time I do a ticket request, it's like viewers is like, or see ya. While there's no questions, does anyone else think whatever. I was gonna give a Game of Thrones question, which no one cares about, but I'm rewatching Game of Thrones. As you can see, I put the Game of Thrones meme in there. All right, your Reddit's still active? Yeah, it's still active. What is going? Yeah, it's right here, man. This is it right here. But yeah, we just got 2 more members. It looks like it's working for most people. Do we need Brandon to throw on the suit tomorrow to stop the bleeding, or are we okay? I'm sorry. I'm gonna put the suit is coming on tomorrow, probably, unless I wake up super late, which does happen sometimes. There's been a couple times where I wake up like 5 minutes, like 10 minutes before the market open. Oh man! And today I was eating leftovers, and then I got carried away, and then I barely got in here on time. So it was either put the suit on and be late to the market open, and like come in like 5 minutes after market open, or like not 5 minutes, but like 3 minutes, or just just deal with what we got. So, Brandon, what was the regulation you mentioned earlier? What are you talking about? I was talking nothing important really. I was just talking about. I just said be careful when you want to regulate the markets. I think that's what I said. Blackbeard sold his shares in ABB, which is the reason why for recent weakness. Super Sue is needed. Yeah, I know it is. Oh yeah. All right. Yeah, we can blame the suit today. Yeah. Yeah, all right. With that being said, all right. Yeah, let's go ahead and what do you call it? Let's go ahead and call it. Unless there's any other questions. Where do you think T would go in a crash combined with a reduced dividend? I'm not sure what you mean. All right, boys. Thank you so much. All right, thank y'all so much. We're getting out of here. Here, I'll end it with this. I'll end it by putting the link of the. What do we want to do today? We'll do this nano nozzle video. If anyone does not know what nano nozzle is, right, this is what you want to do. This is what you want to do, my friends. Nano nozzle video, introduction to nano nozzle and BNGO sequencing technology. That's exactly the place that you want to go to, my friends. And with that being said, same time, same place tomorrow. Hell yeah, Stephen Roberts. You know it, my friend. Anyways, with that being said, man, all right, thank y'all so much. This is not financial advice. Hopefully tomorrow, I mean, we'll be able to, I guess we'll be able to have our last meal, figuratively, right, so to speak, tomorrow before 2 p.m. Eastern, 1 p.m. Central. So I guess we'll be streaming in the morning. So I guess I don't have to say the last words before the high growth potentially goes into death, if it does, right? I honestly think it's not going to be that bad, but it certainly could be. Anyways, with that being said, thank y'all so much. This is not financial advice. I will see y'all in the next one.